Hey guys! So today we are going to put up the chair that I got. It's the Autofull chair and it's pink. And my brother is going to help me because I couldn't do it by myself. So let's get started.
It's in all Chinese.
There's English.
So I had it out the English right here. So this is the beginning.
You didn't even do anything.
I did that one. I did that one.
She did one leg. She said.
I had to step on it too because I tried to do it with my hand and I thought I couldn't. But then I stepped on it and then I didn't. I was like, oh, I could have done this. So I just needed to step on it. So you gotta listen to the instructions. So you gotta do it like this. Like put it on like this and then bend it over. Like that. And then step on it because it's too hard to do with your hand. Oh, see, like you can do it with your hand and I couldn't.
You should just time lapse it.
How do you do that?
Edit the video when you're done.
Yeah, I will.
Speed it up.
I'm just gonna edit it out or time. Oh, crap. You push it in there or what?
Yep.
And I can't.
Insert the base. How are you supposed to know which one's the base?
These are the arms. I think the base is that one. Oh wait, no. This one. Or maybe there should be like a longer pole, right?
It's a full looking.
Oh my god. Here. What's
That's
it
just the
say?
base. We'll put this together.
Super cute. I'm so excited.
Fix the back rest with the back screws. I hate that the screws aren't labeled, so you just gotta guess which screws are which.
Yeah, nothing's labeled.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Tyler Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract.
Explain to YouTube what you're doing so they know.
I'm already halfway through it.
Okay, well now tell them.
Trying to figure it out myself.
I'm reading instructions and putting a chair together.
Yeah, you gotta be like, okay, next step. Take these screws.
It says unscrew the pre-installed screws of the tilt mechanism. And these go like this.
Are you getting your boots?
So we'll be unscrewing this bottom part of the seat to get it started, to get the bottom side started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
So I got the right side right here. I'm gonna put on this right side. It's kind of labeled. It's like right over here. Oh, right side.
Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she's too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, just some me time.
All right, guys. So now we are on day 2 of making this chair. I'm about to finish it off. We got this left arm that we're about to put on. We just got this right arm on. So now we're gonna be working on this left arm. All right. So now we're gonna install this tilt mechanism that will be attaching to the base.
In the meantime, just some me time. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know.
Now that we've got the 4 screws hand tightened, we will tighten them down with our Allen wrench.
Life moves fast when you do what you want.
All right, now that we've got that finished, we're gonna install the base that we built in the previous video to the bottom of it. Well, I think you're missing a piece. The footrest.
What's it supposed to look like? Yeah. We didn't tell us that. Do we need it?
Well, it's supposed to go with it.
All the pieces that came, I had them together.
So now that we got our base on, we're gonna get our cushions on our armrest. So these will take 2 screws and you'll use the Allen wrench for it.
Like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
just some me time.
We'll go ahead and put this cushion back on the armrest. And there you have it. A full function gaming chair. That reclines. And that's it for this video today. Shout out to Been Awake. Follow them on Instagram. Peace.
Hey babies! So this is the end of the game chair assembly photo. So anyone who was wondering how to assemble a game chair from Autofull, we got you covered in this video. I'm so glad you guys watched till the end. And I have a special announcement at the end of this video, so if you guys want to know, it's something for you guys. Only one person can get it. I just want to show you guys the end result of the chair and then do a few final touches to the chair because there's a few more elements that we need. And just look how freaking cute. Ignore the clothes, guys. Just did a haul for you guys, so don't judge me. But okay. It's turned out so cute. Literally so cute. Okay, so lastly that we need to do to the chair, I'm gonna be getting more of these. I'm gonna be looking for like a cute Hello Kitty bunny one, but for now we have this one, and then we have this one to go in the chair. Like, look how freaking cute, guys. I really wanted the Autofull Hello Kitty chair, but it was out of stock, so we are going with what we had to get. And then we have this left to put on the chair, so it's not quite done yet. The best part of this chair are these freaking cute bunny ears. Like, look how freaking cute this is to go on the chair. Literally the cutest idea they could have thought of. They should have made ones for the Hello Kitty chair, like little cat ears, like Hello Kitty cat ears for the chair, which I don't think they did that, but I might be wrong. But so let's just put these on the chair. Like, me and the chair are both bunnies, like so freaking cute. Okay, so they literally slide in right here at the top. Just squeeze in here, and they'll just slide in like that, and then you can like put one down if you want. Well, like, or you can put them both down. Like, look how freaking cute that is, guys. And then we're gonna spin it around, and then guess what else I put in this? The cutest little freaking bunny tail. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, it's super freaking soft. It feels like a real freaking bunny. Okay, but it's probably fake, hopefully. Vegan friendly. But look, oh my gosh, guys. Look at that. Isn't that the cutest thing you've ever freaking seen? And now our chair is complete. The bunny ears and then the little bunny tail. Oh my god, guys, I can't. I literally can't. I also got these to put on the chair. I mean, I got them to wear as well, but I think I can also put them on the chair. And all I need is like a cute pink or black cat tail to put on. I'll probably have to wait until, I might be able to find one on Shein, but if not, I can wait until Halloween time rolls around and buy one from Walmart, and then turn my chair into a little cat if I want to with bows. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. This is so cute. Literally, and then I can get white ears, which I haven't found any, and then make it a Hello Kitty chair. Like, come on, guys. For now, we are gonna use the bunny ears because we have the bunny tail, and it's about to be Easter. So, like, how freaking cute. It is so cute, guys. I'm so happy I got this chair. Daughter, can Mama sit down? Okay. So, last thing for this video, I want to do a very special giveaway for my wonderful followers, subscribers. She's looking at the bunny ears like, what is that? What the heck is that? Daughter, it's just bunny ears, baby. Okay? It's okay. It's not gonna hurt you. Daughter, don't scratch on it, please, okay? Thank you. It's just a bunny ear. Thank you so much for watching my videos, supporting me, being there for me. I really appreciate it. I want to give you guys a special thanks and then give a prize to a special subscriber. I mean, you guys are all special, but I'll pick someone random, okay? But what you have to do to win this is subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below the heart emoji with the blue arrow for it. That's my favorite emoji. And then you will have the chance to win this cute Autofull rug. I'll pull it out and show you guys if you didn't know what it looked like. It's cute, it's pink, and it basically goes by your desk area. You can put it literally anywhere you want to put it, but it's obviously for the chair. It came with the chair. It says Autofull. Has this on it, and then even the back is cute. Like even literally what goes on the ground has like roses, flowers. So anyone who wants this cute rug, it's not very big. It's just a small little area rug. If you want to do a couple heart emojis with the blue arrow, that's fine. If you want to write a little note and then do the heart emoji with the blue arrow, that's fine too. And I know it might take a minute because I have 4 subscribers. There won't be like an ending date like by the time you have to do this. Like literally if you watch this video in a year and you don't see any pink hearts with the blue arrow in it, you can still win this. Okay, so I'm so excited to do that for you guys. You guys just do that and then I'll reach out to you. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate all the love, all the support. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful.